In this tutorial I will show you how to save Google Drive videos to your phone. If you want to save a video from Google Drive to your phone, here's how to do it. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Once you're in, scroll through your files to find the video you want to download. Next, tap on the video to open it. Once the video is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a three dots icon. Tap on it to bring up a menu with several options. Scroll down the options and look for Download. Tap on it, and the video will begin downloading to your phone. It might take a few seconds, depending on the video size. To confirm the download, open the Photos app on your phone. Find the video there and tap on it to watch. And that's it. You've successfully saved a video from Google Drive to your phone.